Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate Kafka with microservices. Firstly, make sure Kafka is installed and running locally. You'll need both Kafka and Zookeeper running before the starting of the project. Use Spring Initializer to create a new project. Add these dependencies, which are Spring Web, Spring for Apache Kafka, Lombok, Spring DevTools. In your application.properties file, set up Kafka properties for both producer and consumer. Include bootstrap server address, group ID, and serializer and deserializer classes. Make a Kafka consumer config class. Configure properties like bootstrap server, group ID, key deserializer, and value deserializer. Use concurrent Kafka listener container factory to manage listener containers, and also make a Kafka producer config class. Configure the producer factory with bootstrap server, key serializer, and value serializer. Create a Kafka template bean for sending messages, and make a Kafka consumer service class with a Kafka listener method to listen for messages from a topic and print them out. Now make a Kafka producer service class. Inject the Kafka template and create a method to send messages to a specific topic. Also, to create a controller to publish messages, make a Kafka controller class with a post endpoint that calls your producer service to send messages to Kafka. And that's it. You now have a working microservices communication setup using Apache Kafka and Spring Boot with both producer and consumer functionality. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.